One of the biggest scams in real estate is wire fraud. So if you're about to close on your dream home, here's a few ways to help protect your life savings. You want to make sure you're always getting your wire instructions directly from the title company. You also always want to call the title company from a verified phone number before you transfer any funds. Never call a phone number or click a link from an email that you receive. Look for any red flags in the wire instructions. So for example, Monteith only uses local banks here in Central Texas. If you see another state, you know it's not legit. And then you want to confirm your transfer with the title company a few hours after you initiate it. You just want to make sure that the funds were received and that they've been applied to your transaction. Don't let wire fraud stop you from getting to the closing table. And as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call one of our closing offices.